type of videos made me this type of money, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. Like, I'm handing you my whole process. Just take action. Money, love, speed. So I'll show you the strategy I'm using to leverage TikTok videos and free tools to grow and profit with faceless YouTube channels. You will also get my secret sauce, and this is something that never been shared before on YouTube, and this is what's going to make the whole thing work. Get ready to take a lot of notes. If the video is slow, watch it 2x. If it is fast, watch it like 0.5x, and let's dive into it. And for anyone worrying about copyright and this kind of stuff when using other people's TikTok videos, the intro of this video is a TikTok video, like a video I took from TikTok. That's how bold I am on what I'm sharing. This is not some theory, but like practical strategies straight from the money battlefield. And actually, here is what YouTube got to say. As long as you add some added value to the video, like a comment or something, you're good to go. Okay, so we're going to go with the sports cars niche. It's a massive one and highly profitable, as you might see in here. Very new channel, 300 uploads, and making almost 3,000 to 47,000 per month. And it can be way more than this, because like there's a tweak in the strategy he's using, and I'm going to explain to you this in a moment.
Athena here. Pardon the interruption, but I believe you'll want to seize our free AI Powerhouse, an essential collection of AI tools that are a game changer for anyone venturing into the world of AI cash cow businesses. Link in the description.
Okay, so here is the channel, and it's from India. I'm sure it's like some kid, like after school, he spent 1 hour per day looking and uploading and like crushing it. Adil, close to my name. And here is the mistake. It's only 2 long-form videos. And if he had more, he could be making way more money. And I'm going to explain to you all these things more we advance in this video. Like, you're gonna discover my magic sauce. Okay guys, so our first step is head into TikTok, and then we look for supercars, and then we need another element that is vidIQ. It is free. You can just install the extension so you can have like the engagement, and we are looking for videos with engagement higher than 10%. It means like a lot of people are engaging, saving, and like interacting with the video, and this is very important. So basically we need 3 things. We need a high engagement, high amount of views, like it means that a lot of people are watching the video and are engaging with it. And like the third thing is videos with very high quality and with no text. So for this, let's look for the 4K supercars. Then we open many accounts until we find like as much as possible, and we keep on digging and looking for the gems, like videos that call your attention. And for example, if you find something that is 20% engagement, that's a big yes. So this page, for example, is a very good one. Like most of the videos have like beyond the 20% engagement and a lot of views. It means that a lot of people are interacting with the videos. And one more little hack, try to focus on the videos that have been posted recently and not the ones that are pinned, because the ones that are posted recently, they're not all over the place, so you are sure to not have like the same video on many channels and stuff. So let's say that this is one of the videos that you are going to use. You copy the link and then you come to save data. This website like allows you to download the videos in a high quality and without the watermark. We head to our friend ChatGPT and we ask to give us like 20 catchy quotes about Lamborghini. We head to Google and we look for CapCut. Like this is the editing tool that we are going to be using, and like this is where like the big magic part happen. Okay, so once in CapCut, we're gonna have 2 phases. So this is the first phase where we just make and edit the video, the normal stuff. So you go and find a good typo, and for example, for this we are going to pick like this one and we add the bubble effect and then color that is like fitting with the topic. So Lamborghini, this color might work. And then the next thing is choosing the animation to make like the text pop up. And here you are adding your extra value to the original content. Okay, now you might ask me, how can we get to the 4,000 hours only with shorts and 15 seconds? And here comes the ninja stuff. Okay, so before that we move to the ninja stuff and my secret sauce. This is actually a strategy that I have shared inside my program, AI Cashflow. And what I did is also sharing with my student my actual niche. And it is a niche like with mind-blowing CPM. I can't share it in here, otherwise it might get saturated. For those interested in my program, you can find the link below in the description, and let's keep on moving forward. Okay guys, this is like where the real magic happens. So we head to TikTok, as we said, and we find like high quality videos, high engagement, 100,000 views, but there is one extra important element, and this one that I forgot to mention is 30-second videos ideally, or even more, and you're gonna understand why. So the next phase is making the shorts and uploading to YouTube, and this is mainly to get subscribers and gather data about the audience, because everything is data. When you have the numbers, then you know how to play the game. And then our next step is, and this is like where all the magic is going to happen. We take these shorts and we either make compilation of shorts using CapCut and like longer videos, and the one that works the best in the ones that you have posted, so you are sure that they are going to get a very high engagement. Or option B, and this is why 30 seconds or more, because you will not need a lot of shorts to make the long form videos. Or number two is you create long form videos with, like, you make the script with ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and you go with longer form videos and high quality, and this way you get faster to the 4 to 8 minute content, and mainly to the 4,000 hours for monetization and for better branding for your channel, not just another short channel. And there is like, this is like just a tiny part of it, because you need to think beyond. What you have in here is a tsunami of free traffic. What you can do with it is you send to an offer. You have the traffic, the buyers, and you need just to put them in front of the right offer, and you can sell your own product, a digital product, affiliate offer, dropshipping store, and like people buy stuff from you, and like there is tons of dropshippers that are just leveraging like free traffic. And this is things I'm covering inside my program, by the way. Like we go really, this is like just the tip of the iceberg. Or building a brand and around the YouTube channel, or sell it as a digital asset. There is companies ready to buy this type of channels with this type of audience. By the way, guys, this is a simplified version and a tweaked version of a strategy that I have shared last year on my program AI Cashflow. As you might see, it's still not saturated as of today, because we cover things that are like, we are way ahead of the curve, we can say. And whatever we covered in here is not even 1% of what is inside my program. So if you wanna take this game to a whole another level in 2024, as I'm posting this video, the price is a no-brainer, $197. It's like $300 off. And not only that, but like I'm moving the price to $1,000 as I'm adding massive updates with my 2024 organic traffic and AI strategies. If you like this video, I believe you're gonna like this one too. So see you in the next one. Cheers.
This is the real deal. This is the Adil math show. Follow me and I will help you build up real cash flow. Teach you all of my techniques and give you skills to stack them. If I call you my falsetto, then that means that you my